Hey there! You're here because you're looking for the best bidet on the market. So what's the difference between two of the highest rated bidets, the TOTO Washlet C5 and the Cloud Plus by TUSHY? How do the features, installation, and what customers say about each compare, and which is the best for your bathroom and booty? Let's start with features. Up first, the TOTO Washlet C5. By the way, I'm Monica, your bidet bestie, and I grew up in Japan, so I know what makes a great bidet. The TOTO Washlet C5 is TOTO's electronic remote-controlled bidet seat. It is important to note that all electronic seats require an outlet near your toilet. The TOTO C5 includes warm water and a warm seat. However, the warm water supply is limited to about 60 to 90 seconds, after which the temperature gradually cools as the model uses a tank that needs to be refilled with water and reheated. So my roommate had this bidet before we upgraded to the Cloud, and some of the time it wasn't a super big deal, but not gonna lie, the cold water was a bit jarring when I was washing my privates during my period. I know, it wasn't really fun. For the C5 model, the bidet spray features a front and back wash with both oscillating and pulsating modes. The air dryer includes 3 temperature settings as well as an air deodorizer. Additionally, there is a pre-mist feature that sprays the toilet bowl and wand before you go. Speaking of clean seats, did you know that you have poop particles all around your bathroom? Subscribe, because our next video explains how this happens and how to avoid it. The TOTO C5 model is available in round and elongated shape and is about 5.8 inches tall, which some users find to be bulky and less comfortable. I'll cover the installation of both models in a bit. How does Cloud Plus by TUSHY compare on features? Well, Cloud Plus is TUSHY's deluxe electric bidet seat with elevated features to give you a sky-high clean, just like the name says. If you're interested in both of TUSHY's latest e-bidets, Cloud and Cloud Plus by TUSHY, we have a video all about their features right here. Like the TOTO Washlet C5, Cloud Plus by TUSHY also requires an outlet close to your toilet. However, unlike the C5 model, Cloud Plus includes instant and endless warm water that never runs cold. The water temperature of the spray stays consistent for over 4 minutes, and there are 4 temperature settings. I treat my bidet like a butt spa, so this is a big plus for me. Cloud Plus features both front and rear wash, and users are able to customize their clean by adjusting the temperature, the pressure, and the angle of the spray. While the TOTO Washlet C5's nozzle is made of resin, Cloud Plus's is made from stainless steel. And a feature unique to Cloud Plus is that it has advanced self-cleaning with UV nozzle sterilization. So that means the antimicrobial nozzle is automatically cleaned after every use for 3 minutes with a UV light, meaning you'll never have to worry if poop particles are spraying on your privates. And you don't have to use a Q-tip to clean the nozzle on bathroom cleaning days. Plus, the nozzle on Cloud Plus features a wider range for its oscillating wash versus the TOTO C5 washlet. Now, let's take a look at Cloud Plus's ergonomic heated seat and warm air dryer. Cloud Plus uses ceramic core tech to allow users to immediately relax with not 3, but 4 thermal settings. Similarly, users can blow dry after each wash with 4 levels of luxuriously heated airflow, which were also tested to be more powerful versus the TOTO Washlet C5 model. Similarly, Cloud Plus has an automatic deodorizer which automatically pulls air through a carbon filter for 3 minutes when seated, and includes a steel mesh filter that comes pre-installed to flow healthier water to your body's most delicate skin. While the TOTO Washlet also has a deodorizer, it runs for only about 1 minute. A final difference between Cloud Plus by TUSHY and the TOTO Washlet C5 is that Cloud Plus has an integrated nightlight, which makes for a seamless bathroom experience in the dark. While both models are remote controlled, personally, I am more drawn to the look and the feel of the Cloud Plus's intelligent remote. With sleek buttons, labels, and images, I believe it is easier to use and understand. Cloud Plus is only available in the elongated toilet shape. So if you're looking for an electric, remote-controlled, warm water bidet seat model, but have a round toilet seat, the TUSHY Ace 2.0 might be the one for you, as it's our only electric seat available in the round toilet shape. The dimensions of Cloud Plus are slimmer compared to the TOTO Washlet C5 model. Cloud Plus is 4.69 inches in height compared to TOTO's 5.8 inches. Also, it's important to note that for many users, reliable customer support and product warranty are important for their overall customer experience. While TOTO is a Japanese company, TUSHY is located in the US. TUSHY's customer support team are readily available via video chat and email to answer any questions you may have on your order, install, or toilet compatibility. They have over 10,000 five-star reviews. Next, we will take a look at pricing, as budget is an important factor to include in your decision-making. Looking specifically at electric bidet seats, TOTO Washlet models can start at $514 and can go up to more than $4,600. On the other hand, HelloTushy electric bidet seats start at just $399. Up next, installation. While both models require an outlet near your toilet and include the tank adapter, hose, and bracket that you need for installation, the TOTO Washlet C5 does not include a mounting template, which Cloud Plus by TUSHY does. This will allow for precise alignment of the mounting bracket and a secure toilet seat. You can watch this tutorial video to check out the installation process, or if you have any questions, you can talk to a real human by reaching out to install@hellotushy.com. All right, now that you've made it through the detailed comparison, here are the main differences you should know. The TOTO Washlet C5 includes a pre-mist feature and pulsating mode, while Cloud Plus by TUSHY does not. Cloud Plus by TUSHY includes a night light, UV nozzle sterilization, and has endless warm water, all of which the Washlet does not. Cloud Plus is a slimmer toilet seat overall and has a wider spray range and stronger air dryer. Plus, there are 4 settings for the water temp, heated seat, and air dryer, while the TOTO only has 3. Either way, a bidet is better than wiping your butt with dry toilet paper. If you're ready to upgrade your bathroom experience with Cloud Plus by TUSHY, check it out at the link in the description. There's also a discount link for our YouTube subscribers, so I'm glad you're here. The Cloud Plus by TUSHY model that I've been covering in this video is actually an upgrade from our TUSHY Cloud model. You can check out how they compare in this video. And of course, if you're curious about our other models, we have a video on every bidet at TUSHY if you want to check it out here. Don't forget to subscribe for more gut, butt, and bathroom content. Thank you guys, and see you next time.